Embracing compact living, the beauty of 2 BHK design. 2-bedroom apartments offer cozy and efficient living spaces. Many families and individuals find comfort in their layout. However, maximizing space is key to achieving both functionality and style. Space-saving furniture and clever design solutions are essential. These elements create a luxurious feel while maximizing every inch. Embrace the challenge and transform your compact space into a stylish and welcoming home. Luxurious living room. Multifunctionality meets elegance. Imagine a space where every piece of furniture serves more than one purpose, blending style and practicality seamlessly. The living room serves as the heart of the home. It's where families gather, friends meet, and memories are made. This central hub should be both inviting and functional. It's a space for relaxation and entertaining. Whether you're hosting a movie night or enjoying a quiet evening, the living room should cater to all your needs. Opt for a sleek sofa bed to accommodate guests. This versatile piece ensures you're always ready for overnight visitors without compromising on style. Choose a coffee table with built-in storage to stow away blankets and magazines. This not only keeps your space tidy, but also adds an element of surprise and functionality. Utilize wall-mounted shelves to display books and decorative items. These shelves save floor space and add a personal touch to your decor. A large mirror can create the illusion of more space and reflect light. This simple addition can make your living room feel more open and airy. Incorporate soft textures such as plush rugs and throws for a luxurious feel. These elements add warmth and comfort, making your living room a cozy retreat. Choose a neutral color palette with pops of color in your accessories. This approach allows you to easily update your decor with the changing seasons or trends. These simple yet effective design choices will transform your living room into a stylish and functional space. Embrace multifunctionality and elegance to create a room that truly reflects your lifestyle. Serene bedroom sanctuary, space-saving storage, stylish comfort. Create a harmonious balance between functionality and aesthetics. The bedroom should be a peaceful retreat, a place to unwind and recharge after a long day. Maximize space with a platform bed that offers hidden storage underneath. This clever solution keeps your room tidy and organized. Built-in wardrobes with mirrored doors create a streamlined look and provide ample storage. They also reflect light, making the room feel larger. Floating nightstands save floor space while offering a place for bedside essentials. They add a modern touch to your bedroom decor. Choose soft, calming colors for the walls and bedding. These hues promote relaxation and a restful night's sleep. Incorporate ambient lighting with bedside lamps and a statement pendant light. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Add a touch of luxury with a plush rug and high-quality linens. These elements enhance comfort and style. Your bedroom should be a haven of peace and tranquility, a personal sanctuary where you can escape the stresses of daily life. Section 4, Culinary Haven, maximizing kitchen space with modern flair. In this segment, we will explore how to make the most of your kitchen space while maintaining a modern and stylish aesthetic. The kitchen is the heart of the home, where families gather to cook, eat, and create memories together. Maximize every inch with clever storage solutions, such as pull-out shelves, lazy Susans, and hidden compartments. Opt for cabinets that extend to the ceiling to maximize vertical space, providing ample storage for all your kitchen essentials. Utilize drawer dividers and organizers to keep your belongings tidy and easily accessible, making cooking more efficient. A kitchen island can provide extra counter space and storage, as well as a place to enjoy casual meals or entertain guests. Choose sleek, modern appliances in a cohesive finish, such as stainless steel, to create a seamless and polished look. Incorporate open shelving to display your favorite cookware and add a touch of personality and charm to your kitchen. A light and airy color palette will make the space feel larger and more inviting, enhancing the overall ambiance of your kitchen. Section 5, Bathroom Bliss, spa-like serenity in a compact space. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis. Choose a space-saving vanity with drawers to store toiletries. Install a shower niche to keep your shower essentials organized. Wall-mounted shelves provide additional storage without taking up valuable floor space. Incorporate calming colors and natural elements, such as wood and stone. Choose soft lighting and plush towels to enhance the spa-like ambiance. A few well-chosen accessories, such as a bamboo mat and scented candles, can make a big difference. Section 6. Your luxurious 2 BHK awaits. Embrace style and functionality. Creating a luxurious and functional 2-bedroom hall kitchen apartment is about maximizing space and embracing clever design solutions. By incorporating multifunctional furniture, innovative storage ideas, and a touch of personal style, you can transform your compact space into a stylish and welcoming home. Remember to choose a cohesive color palette, incorporate soft textures, and personalize your space with items you love. With a little planning and effort, you can create a luxurious and functional home that perfectly suits your lifestyle.